So we are a software company with a focus on inventory management, accounting, and its workflow. And whether you are running a small business or a supermarket, our software and tools will help you to keep the track of records of stocks and the transaction happening in your business. So in India, 80% of businesses are still using traditional ways and doing everything on paper, like maintaining records of their stock, issuing bills, and are not well organized. So due to which productivity of their business also reduces, and the owner does not get a clear picture of what their business performance is. So we have came up with solution which will take through all of the workflow of a business and will help you to expand your business and focus on the growth of your business. Our software provides features like inventory management, e-retail web application, WhatsApp integration, online import purchase, GST billing and return filing, and also barcode wise billing. So you don't have to waste your time writing all of the things on paper and then calculating through calculator. You just have to scan the barcodes of the products and it will add it into the customer's billing, and you can fast up the billing process so that customers don't have to wait and in the queue in line. And like WhatsApp integration also allows us to send the bills directly into customers WhatsApp so that they can look anytime they want, and if there is anything like they want to return your product, then you have a proper system to check everything. The existing offerings are just inventory management software, nothing more than that. But our application is using machine learning and artificial intelligence to act as a digital manager of your business, which will provide you the overall picture of your business in your phone, anytime, anywhere. So from stock to sale reports, it also ranks the product according to the performance of its sales, so that you can save yourself from purchasing underperforming products for your shop. You can also advance sell to your customer according to their purchasing activity. Every business is now being digitalized, and this results in the increase in the productivity and enable businesses to expand quickly. And in the recent years, the government is also encouraging business for digitalization. And we can see that customers and market are changing over time. Traditional business practices should also evolve as well. So we can see there is a huge demand of softwares, and also the new technologies are allowing to bring the solution in the market very fast. We are a small team, and due to which many times one person have to wear different hats and have to take additional responsibilities. Due to this, sometimes we take wrong decisions which result in delaying the release of our product. So we are trying to expand our team. Currently, we are focusing more on improving our solution further. We are constantly taking customer feedbacks and reviews to make our solution better and fit their needs. Like we are focusing on the user experience part so that everyone can use our application, and also adding additional regional language support so that in different part of India, our application can be used easily. Right now we are in testing phase and we haven't published our software yet. From our product demos, 70 out of 100 people have subscribed for newsletters and updates, and we have also get many traction from grocery shop owners through our demos. we are planning to organize and host webinar exclusively for small businesses owner in India, so that we can educate them how they can expand their business further by applying new tools into their business. And in future we are looking to integrate automatic tax filing feature to our application, so that they can easily file tax. They just need to upload the e-bills file in Excel, CSV or JSON format directly into GST portal and file GST return easily. And we want to be the market leader of ERP softwares in India.